guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore my dark makeup. I filmed the TikTok, so I had to go dark today. I wanted to show you guys how I add extensions to my dreadlocks, or how I basically repair my locks. This one was this short, and I added this extension onto it so it could try to match the rest. Sometimes your dreads go thin in the middle. I don't think I'm the only one, because my mom, as far as I could remember, she repaired a lot of people's hair as well. That's where I got my tips and tricks from. But she would repair people's hair because it goes thin somewhere in the middle, mostly. And sometimes if it's a long locks, I would just take it off and I would add it to one that is, for example, a little bit shorter. Or if they're weak, I'm pretty sure this one was weak because I see the tread here. I'm pretty sure this one was weak somewhere along the way, so I would double it and just sew it in and make it stronger. I would literally take a needle and thread and sew it in. And that's how I either repair my locks or add extensions, which technically I'm not adding an extension. I'm just putting on hair that either I ripped off because they were getting too thin somewhere in the middle, or, you know, ones that were way too long and I'm trying to match the others. I would just sew them on to something else or just repair them if they're getting really thin. With my two locks that I had before, I will cut these in half and I would add, so I will have 4 pieces and I will add extension onto all of these, and I will just sew them in together really tight, and that's it. So thank God I had 2 more left so I could show you guys an example. So that's what I will go ahead and do. And then yesterday, let me tie these because I don't want to forget them. I don't want to forget them. It's easy to lose them. I look crazy, I know. I should have put it like a mustache. Yesterday I trimmed my hair because I will be coloring my hair after this. So I had trimmed my hair so all of them are nice and groomed, but I have one little one that wasn't done. So basically what I do, I go in with a scissor. I get a scissor and I go down the length of my hair and I get rid of all the flyaways. So for example, this that's peeking out, usually there's a whole lot of them along the way, or like these right here, I trim them off. So my locks could look nice and smooth. So I will get this bad guy right here. And I do that for every single lock, and I go down the length of my hair and I trim them off. So that's what I did yesterday with every single one of my hair. To add, I do trim the ends of my hair. So for instance, if they look like that, like all frilzy at the end, I will trim the end so it looks nice and flat at the end. I also did all that yesterday as well. So just wanted to let you guys know. I normally use 6 minimum. I should use 6 packs of dye. I should be doing minimum 6 colors, preferably 7. And yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. I will be adding my extension, repairing what is thinning away, and trim the length of my hair. That is what I will be doing. And then I will be coloring my hair after. So put a bag over my head, guys, so I don't accidentally bump into something and have an entire black mark on the side of my wall. So that's pretty much the only reason why I put a bag on my head. I don't know if they actually recommend a shower cap. So either way, a shower cap is not big enough for my hair. My hair is so long. My nose is running because of the ammonia. But anyways, guys, I won't keep you long. So thank you for coloring my hair with me and adding extensions and repairing it and trimming it. Hopefully I gave you guys some useful tips. But thank you guys for chilling out with me. Bye. Hi guys. I wanted to let you see how my hair looks. This is how my hair looks from me coloring it the other day. Nice and black. I had put the white thread in there. So you could see where I repaired it. And I thought the dye would color it. It didn't. So I'll just have to go back over with black thread. I think if I come up with an outro, it will be easier for me to close videos, because I find like pretty much all my videos are not closed properly or not closed at all. So anyways, be kind to your friends and family, and most of all, be kind to yourself. So I'll end with that for now. Okay, see you guys in another video. Bye.